Oh, come on.
There's like never been a siren here ever.
I think there's a fire.
Great.
Well, look, all the firemen just showed up.
Yeah? Oh.
Welcome back to another Friday episode from Trickster Studio. I'm Eric.
I'm Kylie.
And this week we're going to unwrap
Pinky.
Not Pinky, Pinky.
There's a good story about Pinky.
It is a good story.
There's a pretty good story. It's all documented on YouTube. You can check it here.
So basically we got this car from Mike Hall from Rust Valley.
Rust Valley Restores.
And we picked it up as snow was falling. So we really have not seen the car at all. They got delivered here in the snow. And then we tarped it like 2 days after it got dropped off, yeah?
Yeah, and the people that delivered it are these people.
Who?
Us.
Oh yeah, that's right. We delivered it. Yes.
We drove from Ontario to BC, which is super far, the other side of the continent, and picked up Pinky and then came all the way back.
So Pinky is a 1941 Dodge 3-window businessman coupe. Pretty rare, actually very rare.
Very rare.
I've only seen 3 of them, and I think Mike Hall had all 3.
Yeah.
Totally forget what's under this tarp and what's in that car. We'll get it unwrapped, fuck around with it a little bit, see if we can't get it moving. Be cool. It'd be cool to drive around.
Yeah.
We're gonna unwrap this thing. We have no idea what's underneath. We parked it in the snow and figure, you know, it's halfway through summer now. We might as well look at what we bought this winter. This boat stuff is fantastic for cars. Be careful not to cut the car. We have a nice whiskey dinner on that side there.
A whiskey dinner?
A whiskey dinner.
What the heck's a whiskey dinner?
Well, you know, you have a little whiskey dinner, you go driving, and then it always shows up on your fender in the morning. Oh, fuck, it's nice.
Does anybody have any idea what he's talking about?
Nice, this car's nice. Even though it's pink, which is probably my least favorite color.
What? It's my favorite color.
Fuck, it is actually nice. It's got nice metallic in it. I didn't notice that this winter.
You didn't?
I didn't.
Yeah, it's pretty sparkly. Hopefully we can catch that on vid.
It's nice. What a cool reveal. Hey, see this? I'm gonna. She's coming out. She's coming out of her shell. Boom! Yeah, it's not great.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Well, that was quick.
We can't open the doors because they're on poppers, so I think we gotta get batteries. Look at the cool shifter.
Where?
Right here.
Oh.
We don't know where this car was left off. I mean, Mike had it for 10 years and it was half built by a dude he bought it from. So we picked it up and we didn't get like a lot of the story on this car. And we really, like we bought it off auction. So we didn't even have time to go through the car. By the time we picked it up, we had already paid for it. So it's just a matter of loading it up and bringing it home. So I guess we just go through it and try to figure out what's what. Maybe first things first, we check to see if the motor turns over.
Okay.
Check to see if it's seized up. Pull the plugs, check the oil. There's a battery in this car anyways. Do you remember Blair had it? It's got air suspension and there's no door handle, so I imagine there's poppers for the doors. Where's the keys? Do we have keys? We got a key fob.
Cool.
Yeah, I guess.
Trunk?
Yeah, we'll try to get in the trunk. Electric water pump. Fuck's got a lot of trick stuff. And we bought a couple things for it too, right? We got a new ignition system. There's the starter relay. Wonder if I can turn. It's a big block. I don't think I can turn it. Oh my god.
What?
It might be seized.
No.
Well. It might be seized. I'm gonna go get a big ratchet. Check the oil dipstick actually. Where is it? Oh, it's so cute. It's just a nub. Oh fuck, oil's super clean.
Oh my god.
Whoa, a little bit of water in it.
He just ate the oil.
A little bit of gasoline actually. A lot of gasoline.
You're not 70% water, you're 70% car.
Maybe.
I think. Metal, oil.
Maybe. Good quality oil though. Fuck, I'd love to drive this thing down the road, no?
Yeah.
I don't care there's no headlights. I don't care
Just
that
don't
there's
drive
no
it at
windows. I don't need windows.
Well, yeah, it's kind of a convertible.
Hey, look, our auction number. There we go. Number 76 was Pinky. The reason it's been tarped for so long, it's because there was no glass in the car. Sorry about the glasses, it's super sunny today. Like super sunny. Okay, there's the battery. There's the fuel cell. Oh, look what they got here. It's a little electric actuator for the trunk.
What does that do?
You
Open
push
it?
You push a button and it's gonna go. The trunk's gonna go.
Cool.
The fucking airline system looks all kinds of jank, but she is mint. One owner, lady driven, mostly highway miles. Ran when parked. There's only one compressor. I'd like to see two. Fuck, all these lines are like going nowhere. Like they're all cut. There's just cut Simflex everywhere. Unless those are the dump sides.
These cars have a giant trunk and just 2 seats. There's no back seat and they're called the Businessman Coupe. Yes.
Yeah.
They're called the Businessman Coupe because people drove across the country selling stuff out of the back of their car, and they would commonly just pop the seat down and sleep right in the car. Very cool. Apparently about $80,000 went into the custom build of this car, and that was about 10 years ago, so that's a lot of money.
Ah, no, it turns free.
Oh, good. Not seized.
Let's see if I can get a full rotation on there. Oh, fuck. It's stiff, but it's turning. It's got a sick fucking demon carb. That's a big motor for this car.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun, man.
Gonna go like snot.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Steering is like deadly close to the fucking header. Like the steering's touching the freaking header. Touching. Look what this has.
Oh yeah, that's air conditioning right there. Right?
Oh, fuck. This thing ran before, which I mean, I guess it's good news.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it ran a little rich.
Mm-hmm.
But it ran. I'm fighting with the plugs because they're stuck in behind the manifolds, in behind the headers. But this is the last one, and so far they all look like this. So it's been ran. Not a fuck ton, but at least it started. So now I gotta do the other side. Okay, so if I go like this, means I tighten. God, I'm loosening. Shit, I need the other.
There it is.
Full 360. Ah, much better. No problems. Let's have a look at the points, see? And pop this. Pop this. Whoa, it's not points. Is it? Wait, I gotta go see.
So that's a good thing.
That's a good thing. Okay, we're good. Yeah, no points. Which is very, very, very good. Very good. These super rarely fail. So we're gonna be able to put a new ignition system and get some like crazy firing. Do you wanna have a look?
What am I looking at?
On the wire it says something.
Oh, we're reading. Electric choke.
Yeah? Is that what it says? Electric choke?
It says electric choke.
Okay. It's gonna be super loud.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any mufflers. All I see is long tube headers connecting to a pipe, popping out right back of the front tire, the back tire. It's gonna be loud. It's
Yeah.
gonna make your brain itch. I think these are windshields.
So it's a split windshield? Oh yeah, it definitely is.
One windshield, two windshield, and then...
Were they all split windshields back then because they couldn't curve?
Yeah, a lot of them. I don't see any side glass. It's one glass and a small glass because it's got the things here to possibly have like a smoking window, you know what I mean?
Okay.
We're gonna have to look at pictures. Fuck. This thing is dead to open the doors, but then how do you open the doors when you're in the car? See any buttons? I think it's this button here. This one is for down. It was either gonna explode or it was gonna stop, and it stopped.
Good.
Which means that little like pressure sensor to like cut the motors out. So now I could dump it. The fuel tank's empty.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
It's not old fuel.
The thing shows full, but it's really empty.
Okay, so the gauge doesn't work, just like on the Chevy truck. Cool.
Yeah, eh?
That's so cool.
Anti-scratch tip. This is another door popper. So this, you fucking, I've done a ton of these. This you would fucking drill a hole up in here, and it should be on a spring. And it's strong enough that when you fucking pop the door, boonk, it pops open. I used to use valve springs and stuff and just put them on this thing. Like, I would like to have a full glass. I don't want the little smoker's window.
Yeah.
I think it'd be cool, a full, like, curvy glass. Oh, we can't.
Is it power windows?
No, fuck, you can't even get the glass in here because of the way they put the poppers. What a bunch of fucking morons.
Did they make the windows power also?
They put the popper. Oh, maybe there's enough room. Did they what?
Are the windows also power?
But right now the windows are nothing. They're not even in there.
Do you think that was part of their plan, seeing that absolutely everything else is power?
Well,
They didn't get that far.
from what I've seen, they didn't even have a plan to get windows in this fucking thing. Not yet. The seats are like out of something crazy. They're all
Okay.
tilt adjust and power. Mike Hall, did you lose a screwdriver? It's mine now. Came with the car. We're gonna go get fuel and see if we can't fire this thing up.
Okay.
Or just fire it off the bottle maybe.
Okay.
Like the fuel pump hasn't stopped, so and I didn't see any fuel like. Oh yeah, oh that's disgusting fuel. Oh, that's gross. Look at that. Look at the color of that.
Is it really dark?
It's disgusting. That'll never fucking fire.
Oh, it's black.
Did you see it squirting?
Ew.
And it stinks. Outside, the carb looks like it's fucking run like a champ. And it's got a power rack. Well, a rack and pinion. I don't see a power steering. It's got an electric water pump, which is fucking bonkers. Looks like a Mustang 2 front end. This thing would fit a Phytech perfect.
Why do they make those so hard to reach?
They don't. They're usually easy to reach, but because they put these fucking massive headers on here, hard to get.
Would you have put that massive of headers?
Absolutely.
Yes.
These probably fucking sound like thunder. Looks good under here, man. This frame's fucking awesome. Oh, these bags are touching the knuckles. Fuck. They're gonna pop. You can't drive it like that.
Okay, well.
We'd have to lower it a lot. It's way too high. Flip the blue switch, the first blue switch. Push the button, the black button. Keep your finger on it. Okay, stop. I saw spark. We got spark. So fire up. That sounded good, eh?
That's exciting.
That is fucking exciting. I just found this.
1941 Dodge, Mike Scott, bigtimemotors.ca. Some rockin' and rollin' tunes.
No, I think it's...
The build?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I thought it was a CD. Yep.
Okay, so we're back today to pick up where we left off yesterday. So I drained out the old fuel out of the fuel tank. Ow!
What's going on?
I got old gas in my eyeball.
Oh,
God,
can I
it
get
burned.
you something?
I'm gonna get new fuel, and we gotta empty out all the parts that are inside the car to see what we got. So I am gonna go get a hook to open the door because the poppers aren't working, and you are gonna go get boxes to empty out the stuff in the car so we don't break anything. Yes?
Yeah.
Break! Go. But we don't even have a template for the door glass. It's a lot easier to make a template for the front glass than it is for the damn door glass, because then you need to like figure out the track and the whole gearing system, the whole like regulator, all that stuff. I don't have a regulator, I don't have anything, so I don't know how the door glass is gonna look. It'd be easier to find door glass and smoking glass and get windshield cut. That's what I meant. Like this, I might try to call Mike, see maybe he's got it hanging around somewhere. Oh,
Headlights.
fuck, yes.
You're asking where they were.
That's good.
Nothing.
We got some plumbing parts.
Little badges?
No, little covers.
There wasn't any rain in the...
It's gonna get wet.
Oh, it's really rainy. Oh!
Grab this.
What's that?
I think this is how you open the door from the inside.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen any handles.
No.
Clippy. Another hood.
There's no other boxes in the car. There's like trim and the seats. I think that's it.
No glass.
No. Oh, we need quite a few things.
I'm gonna call Mike Hall.
Yeah.
I think Rusbros is still open. I think it's still a thing.
Hey, you've reached my call. Due to the sheer amount of people who have been calling, the messages are no longer checked. If it's important or related to rock scaling, please send him a text instead or try calling back later. If you're calling about vehicles or anything related to Rusbros, please email instead to info.
Whatever, screw you. I'm gonna talk to Mike. Hang on.
Do you turn it on?
Yeah, it's on. Go. Okay, go ahead.
This is already up. I'm just pressing the black button.
Yeah. Okay, stop.
Something leaking?
Big time. We got a blown frost plug. Okay, turn off the blue button. Holy fuck, what is that? So luckily what we have is a blown frost plug, but it's in the back of the exhaust manifold, so the exhaust manifold's got to come off.
Okay.
And then I will measure the frost plug, and then maybe you can go get one.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna check out this pump.
For a second there, what were you thinking?
Oh, I thought maybe it was a cracked head because I couldn't see the frost plug and the water's just pouring out of like the side of the head.
It was a little scary.
We would have got some cool fucking Edelbrock heads.
We would, yeah. $1,500 later.
The water pump won't come on. Got it, yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's working now. Yeah! It fits, fuck. Fucking weird, eh?
Yeah.
They don't look fucking great, eh?
No, they're like They're too small.
Then order the glass.
Yeah.
Do they have the window rubbers?
Yes. Will that glass fit in the whiskey truck? It's also a Dodge of the same era.
It's only 2 years younger.
Yeah.
I don't know. Want to go look?
Okay. 2 years older.
No, still
A little too tall.
it's like way off center. It's like the one on the car is like this.
Because this one's been chopped.
No, not even.
No? By the way, everyone, this is our whiskey truck.
Same motor. Big old 440. So this one's got AC.
So this is a 39 and Pinky is a 41. They are siblings.
Siblings, okay.
Cousins?
Maybe. Fucking closely related. Order some parts, find this frost plug, figure out this glass, get this stuff measured and ordered. So far today I got, I took out the exhaust manifold. It's kind of loose. I took out the steering knuckle because everything was in the way. Frost plug is like way the hell under there.
So that's it for this week?
I guess so.
So as far as we got on Pinky.
I will take it for a ride. As soon as we got a frost plug, it'll run. So
It will?
Yeah, I'll take it for a ride without any windshields. I'll put a helmet on, some goggles, and we'll go for a ride.
Partial convertible.
Yeah. Until then, I guess that's it for this week. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys next week. Remember to sub and comment and hit bells and all those good things. And we'll see you guys later. Have a good one.
Bye.
Like this, and then come back down like this.
Yeah.
On both sides. It would hide her scar on the other side.
Would it?
Oh yeah.
What about this one down here?
I didn't even notice that one. When the fuck did that happen?
I don't know.